The first day we're coming, huh? This is the time.
Yeah, I know, but we better be sure, huh?
Yep. Sure, this is it.
All right, dear, thank you.
You're welcome.
I eat my friends.
Yes, I love this. I eat my friends as well.
So this is the start of the Paria Waterfall hike with the 6th Trinidad Sea Scout, myself and 3 benches, April 2019.
Yeah, lovely photos here.
The camp, a little overnight adventure. Let's go.
See, no, I don't need to make an intro.
There's a river.
12 minutes in.
Water! We talk. Oh, it smells stink too.
Are you seeing any more?
Is it? That's all we have. Over there.
Shadow Benny is just like cilantro. We're going to use it to season the enormous great fish that we're going to catch later.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, lovely.
Let's all that right down here. Right, video log 1. So they didn't lie when they said it was 4 hours. We took two 15-minute breaks so far, and we started at 1 o'clock, and it's 5 o'clock right now. And wait, is it 5 o'clock? Yes, it's 5 o'clock right now. And walking with a heavy, I don't know how heavy bag it is. It's not easy, and I think we almost reached, so I don't think I'm going to die. The trail is pretty winding and bending throughout the whole way. We got a few different terrain types. You encounter a few streams along the way, about 4 or 5. Not very big streams. And yeah. Thoughts, emotions, feelings, regrets.
Hold your backside.
Come on, let's put the video log.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful
No, for
thing.
13, man. Can't wait to reach. Walking for 3 hours and 31 minutes now.
Oh yeah, we were walking for 3 hours and 31 minutes, by the way.
And I hope we make it before the 4 hours that people say.
How about you, Mr. Butler?
Me, I'm having a great time.
Don't lie to the camera, see.
I would rather be nowhere else.
That's a fact. Right, so that's we go, right? From here today, as the crow flies, is roughly,
Right. No, right there.
I would say about a kilometer again, as the crow flies.
What's wrong with his machine? What's wrong with that thing? You can't read that?
oh my god. Okay, so which video log is this? Whichever video it is. I think we see something. But yeah, slightly regretting my past life decisions leading up to this moment, which brought me on this adventure. But you can see the beach now, we can see the ocean now. No wait, you can, yeah, you can see it now. And we're hearing waves, a lot more than what we were hearing before. You can actually like, so yeah, that happening. Kinda steep. I'm gonna fall down. I think I'll climb back. I think I might just stay there, to be honest. What kind of hitting? I don't wanna come out tomorrow. We gotta hike back out. Alright, new video log. This was right after the last one. I can see the beach. Where the beach? What? Look at the picture. I can see the beach now. Look, it's right there. Let's see. I still regret my decisions, but yeah. Ball. Okay, put camera away. Bye bye, camera. We ain't dead. We there. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Michelle, we're there! Michelle, we're there!
We did like yesterday, boy! We did like yesterday!
What time it is?
5:19.
We survived.
How much time it take?
3:44.
It took 3 hours and 44 minutes.
3:44!
We beat the time! And we had like 40-pound bags. You hear this? This is the sound of success and determination. And at some point, zombie-like mind states. Oh my god, success is cold. And salty and sandy. Success makes your pants fall down. Very fast to succeed. Sometimes success might take your pants in a big wave, but sometimes success brings your pants back to you. Alright, so we just set up camp. We have the hammocks here. This is mine. I'm gonna turn it back there. This is what the is here. And now we're going for water. Then we're going to BT. And then we have a fire over there. We're going to roast some chicken. But first, water. So like we finished like setting up the place. And I went for water already. I forget to videotape it. But like now I'm going back there so I could show you all it was night. And then we're gonna get ready to eat. We're having soup and the kebabs. I don't know if I can remember where this place is. So this is where we get the water. I came back from a knife. Forget here. Yeah, this is where we get the water. It's a big river right here, but you all can't see it. I'll show you only in the morning. Yeah, we just get the water from here. Right here. Now we had to boil it. So yeah, we do that now. Right. I have Mr. Butler's camp coffee. We have one of the kebabs here and we're going to put it next to the fire. Just trying to figure out a way to put it on. Alright, so that's one.
I think I'll choke on that for
I'm going to put some curry powder on it. Alright, so we look. Live from Paria Bay right now. We have chicken kebabs. We have soup coming up. We have campfire coffee. We have chicken man on chicken duty. And we have soup. Wait, that's not soup already? We have more soup.
Ooh, bon appetit! Mitchell!
Soup and kebabs are served. Alright, so like now I just boiling some water from the river to sterilize it. I have 2 cups here. And I'm gonna fill them in these bottles. And after that will be the end of the night. The end of day 2. It's been a day since I got stranded on this island. So I washed up on the shores of my boat, got wrecked on one of those islands in the back there. Ran out of food and water last night. Got up bare minimums now. I've been climbing coconut trees for the past few hours gathering coconuts. I have to fill my coconut stockpile for the journey home, if I ever find a way home, wherever home might be. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I could get some coconuts from this tree here. I'm gonna try and use this bamboo to try and pull them down, and I'm gonna film it because I don't have any way to put down my phone, so yeah.
Is the monkey in action?
So this is coconut. My foot really take when I come down. That's it. Stop. What's it? I got 9. A little later we'll come back. We'll get some more. But I think we have enough for now. Alright, so now I just cut in the coconuts and fill them into the bottles so we could walk back with them.
It's the real water. Pass it back, got clogged up a little bit. If we get a good drink here, then we'll be good to go.
So we just pack up the campsite and now we head into the waterfall. Right, Mitchell?
Yeah, boy.
If we could find it. Behold! Paria Waterfall. Alright, go.
One of your least favourite songs, is it?
We took
He's a venture scout. He's a big boy.
we took a baby shark break.
There's all sorts of idiots singing that song.
So we cooking some chili. Some I don't know if it's vegetarian chili.
No, it's pork and beans, isn't it?
Never mind, it's pork and beans.
But of course it all starts to taste the same in the end.
But never mind, it's not vegetarian for all your vegans.
Definitely not vegetarian, no. So thank you for
This is the last video log for the day. Extraction has arrived. We are out of the bush. 4 hours and 5 minutes. Actually 5, I think. Give or take 1 hour. Back to civilization. Right as soon as I started recording, I thought it would run out of light. He half dead. He
black, got him.
I'm so crazy.
I think he just loses his sanity.
I need some tea
I might lose 5 pounds of weight.
or coffee.
I'm losing feeling in my shoulders. Oh my god, that hurt.